राजपूत और जॉन इब्राहिम थे आपके, तो इन चारों को लेकर के आप क्या कभी कुछ इंडोर्स करना चाहेंगे एक साथ में?
एक तो हमने आलिया भट्ट को इंडोर्स नहीं किया है, आलिया भट्ट ने हमारे प्रोडक्ट को इंडोर्स किया है. But I understand the spirit of your question. We have multiple brand ambassadors for the different categories that we have. John and Sushant clearly advertise for the men's range and they endorse that. Deepika does skincare. Alia was doing skin cleansers. Now Alia will do Fructis. We are very happy with all four of them, and all of them get their individualities in it. Getting all four of them is a great idea. I have to think of a product which, all men and women and all four of them can come on the stage together. But it's a good idea. We'll keep it in mind. Yes, ma'am.
I'm Saloni from The Hindu. And my question is for Alia. Like, since this new line of products has 3 nutrients, hence the name Triple Nutrition, what is your personal favorite 3 elements in your hair care regime?
My personal favorite 3 elements in my hair care routine. See, as I said, because at least in my life, because I'm either we're traveling or shooting or something like that, so you have to keep your hair clean, you have to keep it healthy. So, first things comes to you have to know, you have to wash your hair regularly. You can't go 4 days without washing your hair, So I do wash my hair every alternate day, sometimes every day. So that's the first thing, cleansing. Secondly, everybody takes like vitamins for their skin and for their, for their personal care. You also have vitamins for your hair. So there is a vitamins that I take, the skin, hair, and nails. So that also helps. And last, but definitely not the least, Garnier Fructis Triple Nutrition. It gives you all the nutrition you need for your hair. So that is probably the top most point in my personal hair care.
Press conference began with you posing, and we know that you love to pose. So, it was good to see that you were standing by your brand and you were just holding it really tight. So do you really love your brand, or does the brand pay you so much that you would want to stay by its side? What is it like? What's the connection?
Very good question. Today, when I was getting ready, I was telling them that you all come right now, go into the bathroom and see that I have carried my own Triple Nutrition conditioner and shampoo. You don't believe me? I'll take you also after this up to my bathroom. You can still see. It's right there. I travel with it. It's in my gym bag. It's in my travel bag when I'm going outdoors. I genuinely believe in it. It's not about, it's not, everything's not about money, the emotional connect as well. So I do stand by it. Like, I do use it. I'm not going to be endorsing something that I don't believe in. And I believe it helps my hair. So yeah, come after the press conference, Gero, I'll take you.
Hi, Alia. Sasha here from Hotyor.
Hi, how are you?
Good, good. Alia, see, here we're talking about triple nutrition. So, we're talking about 3 strengths that, it has in the shampoo. So when we talk about 3 strengths that you have, if you could share 3 of your strengths, actually.
Good question. I'd like to believe that I have a good amount of willpower, which I feel I get from my dad. He has amazing willpower, and I learned that from him. Another thing is that, which I believe is very important for me in my profession, is to be very thick-skinned. So I have that strength to be thick-skinned and take things at the surface and then not let that affect me in an emotional way, even though I'm a very sensitive person. And the third strength would be that I think I feel being understanding as a person always helps with your friends and with the people who are close to you. So I have an understanding quality, again, which I get from my mother. I have this ability, which she has, to put myself in another person's shoes, which makes me very forgiving. Sometimes that goes against me, but sometimes it also helps in the long run. So I think that, talking about strength, that makes up my strengths.
Yeah, good afternoon to all. This is Raj from media. Alia, you. How do you keep yourself fit and healthy? And how do you think this fitness helps you in this profession?
I do a combination of Pilates and weight training. And I have a very, not strict diet, but yeah, I have a strict diet that I constantly follow. Right now, I'm trying to get into like perfect body shape. So it's been going on since a while. And I think it is very important to look a certain way. I don't feel being like extra skinny or, you know, extra thin is something that is desirable. You have to be fit. It's about the internal fitness level that you have. The body fat percentage should be at this right percent level. Because at the end of the day, in this profession, people are putting money on you. They're going to watch you look a certain way. So you have to be desirable. You can't just take it for granted. So I do work very hard in that aspect. I am working hard right now.
आलिया हाय सामने आपके यहाँ
Hi.
हाय कैसे हो आप
मैं ठीक हूँ, आप
आ,
कैसे हो?
आलिया जैसा कि हम सभी जानते हैं कि आप बॉलीवुड में काफ़ी फन इंटरटेनिंग बबली और नॉटी के नाम से जानी जाती है
Naughty?
तो, हाँ तो
कब
हम
से?
ऐसा माना जाता है बॉलीवुड में तो हम
मुझे किसी ने अच्छा anyway.
तो हम ऐसा माने कि ये गार्नियर का कमाल है या गार्नियर से रिलेट है इसलिए आप ऐसा
हाँ कि मैं नॉटी हूँ.
हाँ तो मतलब ये गार्नियर का कमाल है ऐसा माने
देखो, when you say naughty, I think बालों में knots.
जी
तो गार्नियर फ्रूटिस का कमाल है वो नॉट्स निकालना. तो मैं नहीं मानती हूँ कि मैं नॉटी हूँ गार्नियर फ्रूटिस की वजह से. But anyways, I don't think I'm naughty. I may be little naughty, but everybody has to be naughty.
तो गार्नियर ब्रांड में ऐसा क्या कुछ है जो आपसे सिमिलर है आपसे मिलता जुलता है ऐसा कुछ
I think it's the fact that it caters to the youth and it caters to the audience that I am representing. क्योंकि मैं अभी 21 years की हूँ and I'm probably the youngest person in the industry. So I have a very instant youth connect with the brand.
हाय आलिया आपके